Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this low-mileage, one-owner 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 sedan. With an original sticker price of over $48,000, this prestigious sedan that is almost 9,500 miles below market average and still has the remainder of its factory warranty should be a top contender on your list. Featuring rich materials quality, a tastefully designed interior, high technology options, and an avant-garde design, this luxury sports sedan has a lot to offer for the money. Luxury Motorsports specializes in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona, while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood of this four-wheel drive is a 2-liter turbo inline 4 engine, generating 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission with manual shifting mode available. EPA estimated fuel economy is 25 miles per gallon in the city and an impressive 34 miles per gallon on the highway. In track testing, it rocketed from 0 to 60 miles an hour in a blistering 6.4 seconds. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. Inside the upscale cabin, you will find many high-tech, comfort and convenience features which are too numerous to list in this short video. However, notably, it enjoys navigation, backup camera, panoramic sunroof, Burmester premium sound and a blind spot assist. For a full list of specifications, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and experience the Benz quality for yourself. Flip between Eco through to Sport Plus settings to satisfy your mood of the day. With weighty and precise steering, confident and satisfying driving dynamics, and all of the desirability and prestige rolled into the equation, this is one you need to drive, fall in love with, and buy. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.